Hi, Jason Nicole. Hope you guys are having a great day today. It's your video lesson. One big thing I want to talk about that thing. And then if you have questions at the end or want me to look at anything, feel free to shoot a message on it. I'll be more than happy to answer. So let's get to it. So I'll continue on with working on Hurricane by Luke Combs. So we're going to do a capo on the 3rd fret. And the difference between this song and other ones we've done is that usually the other songs we've done usually have just one section to them. It just might be just like, say for example in this song, it just might be E minor, C, G, D, the entire length of the song. So Jason up until now really hasn't had to worry about too much about, hey, what's the next part of the song? It's usually just one chord progression, just put that on repeat the entire time. What I'd like to start talking about now is taking a song that has more than one chord progression in it and learning how to count the different sections. So music loves the number 4. 4 times through a chord progression, 16. It just sounds real nice to the ear. So you see that all the time. I'm actually surprised when I don't find some sort of number 4 in there of like, okay, you play that chord progression 4 times, there's 4 chords, you play through it 4 times, it adds up to 16, it adds up to 32. So I'm surprised when it doesn't have things like that. And Hurricane is no exception in terms of having groups of 4. Or things in the multiples of 4. So, for example, the verse section of the song here is an E minor, so I got capo here on the 3rd fret. So, right, Jason, this is going to be an E minor chord, this one right here. Then we're going to go to a C chord, we're going to go to a G chord, and then we're going to go to a D chord. Okay. So start far with this. So E minor, 2, C, 2, G, and you're going to repeat that 4 times when he starts singing. There's an intro part to it. We'll talk about that later. The first thing is he sings that, as soon as he starts singing in the beginning of the verse, he plays that chord progression 4 times. Now, how to remember you've done it 4 times? I do this. 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 1, 1, 2, 2. 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 4. What I'm doing there is I'm counting the number of the number that I'm on in terms of how many times have I played the chord progression. So you saw right there E minor, even this is the first chord, even though I did that 1, and then 1 for this one, 1 for this one, 1 for this one. Then I went back to E minor. I said 2 because now this is the second time of going through the chord progression. 2, 2, 2. Don't worry about all the strums and stuff. Just worry about one strum right now so you can hear what the 4 sounds like. And then I go to the 3rd time through. 3, 3, 3, 3, and then 4. 4, 4. 4, and that's what this times 4 right here means, is that I've played that times 4. Once I have that down, then I move to the chorus, and that's also a times 4. Same procedure. 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, right? So I reached the end of that right there. So times 4 on that. Then there's a little post-chorus. I go back to the same chord progression, the same order of chords that I had in the verse, and read that times 2. But still even though it's times 2, it's still a number 4. So I have 4 chords, it's gonna work. It's gonna be 8. 8. So yeah, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2. So you count the number of times you've gone through the chord progression with each chord. That'll help you remember where you're supposed to be in the song. So cool, so work on that for me. Like I said, if you have questions or anything, shoot those on over to me. If not, I will see you next time on Saturday. Take care, guys. Bye.